Yeah. So, good evening and warm welcome to everybody that is connected with me today on the in Candid Conversation. And today with me, I have from Hybro Publications, uh, Vandana Bhatia Palli. So, ma'am, welcome to my show in Candid Conversation. This show is mainly for authors and promoters of authors like yourself.
Thank you
So,
so much,
and
Meera. Thank
yeah.
you so much. And literally, I thank you from my heart कि आपने मुझे इस लायक समझा कि मैं आपके प्लेटफॉर्म पे आऊँ और आपके
अरे
साथ बात करूँ, कुछ शेयर
Ma'am,
करूँ.
we writers or we authors are a bit, self-obsessed that we do want somebody to listen to us and have our work published. So you are one of the biggest pillars, you can say, of literature that will help us. All the authors that who are present today on this platform. So you are one of those strong pillars that is going to get us promoted, as being a published author. That's what I can say. So obviously, I had to call you. And also, let me tell the viewers that Hybro Publications was one of the sponsors for the Literary Warrior Group Litfest that we had in Delhi on 18th of November. So this is how I actually met Vandana ma'am one on one. Like that was the biggest platform where I could meet you, and because of that platform, I thought I should be inviting you here as well, so that हमारे जितने भी authors हैं उनको जो भी queries हो, you can solve all those queries that we have.
I will try my best to solve everybody's queries and try to support everybody in any any way possible. So I'm
Yeah.
there. Rather, we are there as a publication to help all the authors, writers, budding writers, those who are looking for to get published. और कुछ problems आती हैं. I know writers face a lot of problems in at different stages. So
Yeah.
we are there. We are there all the time.
So, ma'am, first I would like to know how was your experience of our Literary Warrior Lit Fest. How was the overall experience? For us, it was amazing because it was the first time we had done this. But how was your experience?
My
Coming over here.
experience with the Literary Warriors group was excellent. That's why I landed up here, especially meeting Neelam ji. That was really something. I used to see her name, उनका नाम जैसे books हम पढ़ते थे या देखते हैं जो भी publish होती हैं तो उनका नाम वहाँ देखते थे. And when I realized that, oh, she is Neelam Saxena Chandra, I said, oh, so that was literally a great experience for me as well because राइटर्स को पोएट्स को स्पेशली लाइव सुनना एंड उनके इमोशंस के साथ आपका चलना एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस आपको देता है so that was I really look forward to attend these sorts of gatherings and events जहाँ होते हैं where you can be one on one with the writers with the poets and I know they also feel really good if somebody
Yeah.
listens to them because authors and writers सुनील जी से वहाँ मुलाकात हुई थी एंड ही सेड हम राइटर्स और पोएट्स इतना बोलते हैं और हमें अच्छा लगता है कि कोई हमारी बात सुने तो आई टोल्ड हिम कि हम हैं आप
That I
बोलिए
agree with Sunil ji. That I agree with him because that is what is really all about. You have all those pent up emotions. I feel there's a writer in everybody, but
यस
very few of us go on to coming on the various platforms and getting the word out and being actually published authors. So
राइट
why do you think is the gap? Like, what is the reason that everybody is not able to publish? Like, what is the publishing process like from the author to the publisher? What sort of communication is required? If we want to approach you or something like that, what should be the author actually having in hand to approach a
First of
publication
all,
house?
author should have at least something ready in their hands. I mean, some storyline should be there. Abhi, हम supposedly, just for an example, I'm telling you, we go to
Yeah.
market, शॉपिंग करने जाते हैं लेकिन हमारे माइंड में कुछ तो रहता है ना कि दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू बाय टुडे सो
Yeah.
अगर ऑथर के पास स्टोरी लाइन नहीं होगा तो हम लोग कैसे उस पे वर्क करेंगे usually the authors they come to us when they come approach us they have the storyline ready with them and apart from that they have their cover designs also in their mind going कि हमें कवर इस तरह का चाहिए, उसमें पेड़ चाहिए या उसमें कोई इमेज चाहिए और whatsoever. So they have they or do their homework before they approach us. When the homework is done properly, it becomes easy for us also to analyze कि अभी हमने इनका प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो किस लाइन पर आगे लेके जाना है. सो स्टोरी लाइन इज मस्ट. अगर मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट रेडी है आपकी तो आई सजेस्ट कि आप हमें उसके भी कुछ एक या दो चैप्टर्स भेजिए सो दैट वी कैन हैव अ लुक. एंड the most important thing is that we have to look at the language, kind of language जो use करते हैं authors, वो किस तरह की लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं. अकॉर्डिंगली वी गिव देम द इनपुट्स कि आप ऐसा करिए, इसको थोड़ा चेंज करिए. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट एवरीबडी हैज वंस ओन वे ऑफ राइटिंग. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि सभी की राइटिंग एक जैसी होनी चाहिए, but sometimes you have to work on the language part and some editing part also. But that can be done, anything can be done if we have the manuscript in our hands.
Okay, but ma'am, I just had one more query. I mean, there are many queries. We'll go go one by one with them. But one of them right now is that there are many publication houses that are cropping up. There are so there is something called as self publication and the regular publication. So
Traditional.
where yeah, traditional publication. So where does hybrid publication come into, like in what branch will it come into, and how do they differ from other publication houses?
Okay, so since we are also a startup, I won't say that we are an ages old company or हम सालों से चल रहे हैं. It's not like that. We are also a sort of startup. I call Hybro publication as a COVID baby. it was it was born just before the COVID. We groomed it in COVID, and then there were number of thoughts that what should we do, how should we take it forward. Because as you
Right,
said कि बहुत से publication companies आ गई हैं. Everyone has one's own way of working. Self publishing is has groomed like anything now, but
right,
self publishing mein we also did self publishing. There's nothing like that we should hide anything. We did self publishing with some authors, but उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आता था उसमें सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग करने के बाद ऑथर इज ऑन हिज ओन कि वो खुद ही मार्केट करेंगे, खुद ही सेल करेंगे. सो
right.
दैट वाज बिट चैलेंजिंग फॉर मेनी ऑथर्स. सो मेरा जब ऑथर्स के साथ डिस्कशन होता था सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग करने के बाद, that time we realized that traditional, naturally we are a startup, we can't go into traditional because publishing it invites a lot of expenditure, expenses बहुत होते हैं, right from the stage one to the last till the time the book is there in the world. The expenditure will be there. So what we thought, we worked on the different models, and then we came to the conclusion that we should go hybrid. Now hybrid, mostly people they don't know about hybrid. So
Yeah,
hybrid is, it's a mix of self publishing but plus traditional publishing, where the author, some payment part is naturally there, they pay the publication charges, but then apart from them हम लोग उनको पूरा सपोर्ट करते हैं उनका बुक का सेल्स के लिए, उनका बुक का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए, देन उनका मार्केटिंग के लिए, प्रमोशन के लिए. As far as we can, we work with them hand to hand. So that
wow.
is how we are working now.
Yeah, that is, I mean, amazing because obviously, like me, there are many authors who might be unawares, like not knowing. We have lots of work, written work with us, but then we don't know how to proceed further. But so this really helps, when the insight that you're giving today is really going to help each and every one of us on this platform. Vanna ji, there was one more query that I had, that okay, हम writers हैं, हम लिख लेते हैं, but then जो technicalities होती है, like okay, we can being good authors, we content है या proofreading है, all that we can do, but the technicalities that are there, उसको particular format में डालना होता है, typeset में डालना होता है, that all is a little bit challenging, for authors. Many a times younger authors might be able to do that, but then you have senior authors as well. So How do
That's
we
what.
go about on
Now
that?
here comes the point. Now here comes the point.
Yeah.
What I told you, we are hybrid models. We present hybrid publishing, जहाँ पे author अपना manuscript हमें दे देते हैं, and then उसके बाद they don't have to think about anything. We
Okay.
work with them. We won't ask them कि आप हमें design करके दीजिए या set करके दीजिए. We do it from our side. We take approval from the authors. We show copies, proofread, author proofread करते हैं. पूरा करने के बाद ही the book goes into publishing and printing finally. So
Yeah.
author doesn't have to do anything. They just have to sit back and
Thank
relax,
God.
keep on giving their inputs. You won't believe, sometimes it has happened that एक book का sample ही ready करने में हमें ज्यादा नहीं, 8 से 10 बार शायद, एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ है कि we keep on creating the drafts. ये अच्छा नहीं लगा author को, font अच्छा नहीं लगा, size अच्छा नहीं लगा, pattern अच्छा नहीं लगा, set, ठीक है, it's okay. That's when we have taken the responsibility. Naturally, it's our job to fulfill it. Client should be satisfied. It's not, we work for the value addition. I just want कि हमारे साथ जो client आते हैं, they should remain with us for lifetime. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके साथ काम किया and you are not satisfied, and then you will not look back to Hybro. You will never.
Yeah.
No one will.
Right.
If I as a
Agree.
client go somewhere and I'm not satisfied, तो naturally I'll not look. आजकल बहुत options है मीरा जी.
Yeah, I
हम
agree to
suggest
that
कर देंगे,
because
कोई और दे देगा,
everything,
अच्छा दे देगा.
yeah, it's everything is service related in the sense, a satisfaction about, no, it's like a one on one, that we relationship that you form when you are working with somebody so closely. Like when you are reading an author, I believe that as writers, we literally pour our hearts out, we pour our minds out somewhere or the other. It is us in those words, and
Yes.
we are trusting you with those words, with us in fact. So if the the thing, whatever we are doing is on a very smooth road, it helps on both ends. So obviously, it
As a
helps.
publishing company, if as a publishing company we are not able to add value to your emotions, to your thoughts, to your writing, then I don't think that it makes sense for us to exit. It's not that I know everybody is working to earn. At the end of the day, we also have to earn when we are giving time, when we are pouring, our hearts out, and so much of labor is involved. It's not an easy task. You understand very well. As a writer, all the writers here who are connected, they understand very well. It's not an easy job. It's not an easy work. But if the client satisfaction is not there, then the publishing company, I don't think it makes value. It gives value.
Yes. Ma'am, there's one more thing that I would like to know. Because, we authors sometimes take years, like, years, like literally years for one project. Sometimes, I mean, not always, but sometimes. Like Neelam Di जैसे जो हैं, वो तो पता नहीं,
Oh my
I mean,
God, she
touch
is.
wood and hats off to us. Hats off to her that the way she churns, like poetry after poetry after poetry.
I must
Touch
call.
wood for that.
I just call her a volcano. I mean,
Yeah.
she's bursting with so many thoughts and emotions every day.
Yes, and
Each
she has
moment.
the energy to even pen it down. And after penning it down, she has the patience of even going through the process of publication of the whole thing. Because, like, how many days would it take, from a ready manuscript to the actual publication? What is the time duration that goes on like?
We aim at around, you can say, 3 months' time, not more than 90 days to get the authors published. If the manuscript is good to go ahead, maximum 90 days, not more than that. Even this year in 2023, the World Book Fair was in the month of March. This year,
Right,
2023, it was in March.
March.
So we published the book in record 15 days. The
Wow.
author, that is a poetry book. The author, she is from Pune, and she got in touch with us in the month of January, somewhere in the last week of January, and her manuscript was ready. It was very clean, crisp. So she said that this is the book. I said, why not? We should go ahead because the World Book Fair is on. And when the fair is on cards, and especially World Book Fair, it was happening after 3 years. This year, it happened
Right.
after 3 years.
Yes.
कोविड के चलते नहीं हो पाया
COVID
था.
के, yeah.
या तो हम लोगों ने 15 दिन में उनका पूरा, आई मीन माय एंटायर टीम वाज वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट, एंड शी वाज सो हैप्पी दैट शी फ्लू फ्रॉम पूरा टू अटेंड द वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर. शी वाज
Wow.
देयर विद अस एट द स्टॉल फॉर 2 days.
Wow, that is a compliment, the author coming all the way from another city just to be with you, because that is I feel that is a perfect job example of job satisfaction. That you are satisfied with the work that you have done, the author is satisfied with the work they have done with you, and it is a community feeling that you get at that time.
Yeah,
Right.
and moreover, that gives you satisfaction, you as a company satisfaction. All my team mates and these employees, they were so happy ki it was a record time. I mean, 15 days and the book is out after, even after print. So everybody has to be acknowledged for that, be it the printer, be it the designer, be it the cover designer, everybody. So that was really
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, that is really a very good, I mean, क्विक प्रोसेस. मैगी तो नहीं है, लेकिन है यार, मैगी 2 मिनट में बनती है, आपने 15 दिन में बुक बना दी. दैट इज अमेजिंग. लाइक,
Yeah.
एंड मैम, आई वुड लाइक टू नो few more things that I've, few authors, or not even authors, they are just writers, but very good writers, and they have been asking me, a few questions, like, supposing, I mean, even I had this question, that when a writer takes a real good long time to write, and midway it does happen that the author gets sidetracked, because of maybe, say, work, some other work related, or some family, or some personal issues, or XYZ. Then how do you, get the author back on track so that the author can complete? Because obviously, sometimes they give you a half manuscript or something, and sometimes I guess even that happens, right? So how do you
Yes, that
motivate?
happens. That happens. But again, I must say that वो कहते हैं ना कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है. So the other person has to have a will to work forward. कुछ ऑथर्स ऐसे हम लोगों ने आई मीन उनके साथ काम किया है. दोज दे जस्ट वांटेड वैनिटी पब्लिशिंग, सो दैट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट एज वेल. सो वैनिटी इज दैट दे नो दैट उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा लिखा है, वो पब्लिश करवाना चाहते हैं, एंड दैट्स इट. दे आर हैप्पी विद दैट. दैट्स समथिंग डिफरेंट. But then there are some authors who are serious authors, but because of jobs में है और full time writing को pursue नहीं कर सकते, naturally everybody has the responsibility. तो उनको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, but they get motivated. हमारे एक ऑथर है, मैं उनका नाम नहीं लूंगी, अदरवाइज
Yeah,
ही विल बी
yeah.
आफ्टर माय
नहीं
लाइफ
नहीं
कि
नहीं
मेरा
नहीं
लाइफ.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, we agree to that.
उनका
No issues.
2021 जनवरी में बुक पब्लिश हुआ था. इंटायर 2021 2022 उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया. आई केप्ट ऑन पेस्टरिंग हिम कि प्लीज कर लीजिए, थोड़ा सा आप आ जाइए, ऑनलाइन आ जाइए, बिकॉज यू नो वेरी वेल कि आजकल के सिनेरियो में सोशल मीडिया हैज ओवरटेकन एवरीथिंग. सोशल
Yes.
मीडिया हैज ओवरटेकन द फिजिकल स्टोर्स, फिजिकल, आई मीन अभी तो वापस वी आर कमिंग बैक टू द स्ट्रीम लाइन कि हम लोग लॉन्चेस कर रहे हैं, फिजिकली भी इवेंट्स करवा रहे हैं, बट सोशल मीडिया फिर भी अभी डोमिनेट कर रहा है. सो
True.
बट इट इज इट हैज बिकम अ बोन फॉर अस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज हम घर बैठे बैठे हम लोग प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. हमें क्या करना है, वीडियोस बनाने हैं या पोस्ट करना है, वॉट एवर वी कैन, मिनिमम वी कैन डू राइट फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट ऑफ आवर होम. अभी अगर ऑथर्स इतना भी अपने आप को प्रमोट ना कर पाए, तो मुझे लगता है कि दे शुड नॉट गेट पब्लिश, दे शुड नॉट पब्लिश देमसेल्फ. बिकॉज थोड़ा सा
Yes.
आपको एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. आपको लोग नहीं जान पाएंगे जब तक आप अपने आप को सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं प्रेजेंट करेंगे. सो मैं अभी
True.
ना ऑथर की बात आपको बता रही थी. सो 2 years ही वॉज जस्ट लाइक कि ही वर लेड बैक कि अभी हो गया मैम, स्टोरी अच्छा है, सब कुछ हो गया. वी अप्रोच दैट बुक फॉर द OTT, एंड दैट हैज बीन टेकन अप फॉर द OTT as well.
Wow.
So
Wow.
after that he realized, he said कि मैम अभी आप बताइए कि क्या कर सकते हैं. Now you will not believe कि around 1.5 2 years के बाद now the activity has started. Now अभी उनका प्रमोशन मार्केटिंग उनका बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है. पैन इंडिया उनका बुक्स का बुक स्टोर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी हमने करवाया फिर उसके बाद, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट विलिंग अर्लियर. तो जब तक आप विलिंग नहीं होंगे तो हम कितना आपको पुश कर लेंगे. वी कांट.
True that.
We can't.
True.
Single-handedly,
So
we
true.
can't. Success doesn't come walking alone. You have to have somebody walking with you, or somebody behind you, or somebody ahead of you if you have to be successful.
आई एग्री टू दैट एंड जो आगे हमारे चल रहे हैं वो उनमें से एक है नीलम सक्सेना जी, जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. दैट शी इज लाइक, एज यू सेड, शी इज लाइक अ इरप्टिंग वोल्केनो. शी हैज सो मेनी थिंग्स टू से एंड आई वाज लाइक उनकी तो लाइक हर एक उसमें देयर इज अ पोएट्री इन एवरी ब्रेथ शी टेक्स
Moment,
एंड द नंबर
every
ऑफ
moment
बुक्स.
of life.
Yeah.
Yeah, in every moment of her life.
Yeah, and she's already with us online, and she said hello to you and awesome to know you, Vanna, and nice to see both of us, and of course compliments for me as well.
Yeah,
But
I
yeah,
can read your messages.
yes, and we have a few more viewers that are there with us. So we have Amrita Beraji who says best wishes. We have Aparna Bhatia Chavan who says good and useful discussion. Keep going. We have Krishna Bhatia who says best wishes for the efforts that you're doing, and I'm guessing this all is your team.
Yeah, my family, my support.
Yeah, obviously that is, I mean, a
My
family is
group.
also a team. Yes, because they are
Yeah,
your biggest motivation, be it an author, be it a publisher, or whatever you achieve in life. It is because you have that family tree and the team standing behind you. That
very
is how we move ahead. So Vanna ji, before we wind up this session, I have one last question for you. What offers right now do you have going on for authors? If you have any, you can just tell it loud to the
yeah.
authors.
No, now 2024, we are aiming for. We are accepting all the kinds of manuscripts, but we are specially aiming for the stories based on women-oriented stories, and the writers, especially the women writers. So that is our main motto. And the third important is I would like to present the maximum writers from the armed forces, because हमारी armed forces में बहुत talent है. Because of their kind of service they are doing, they are not able to vent out their feelings, their thoughts, their creativity. So I just want to present them on a wider scale, on a larger scale. So these our aim in 2024 is the women authors. I want women to come out in large number, because मैंने LWG में देख लिया था किस तरह से women from all walks of
Yes.
life, and whatever they faced in life, they took it as a challenge, they struggled, and they just won like anything. So women writers, women oriented stories, and the writers from the armed forces. So I would I really wish that I can render them the best of the services we can.
Yeah, that is so wonderful and actually very motivating, because very often it happens that even in this century, women feel that कि यार खैर छोड़ो ना, अपने लिए क्यों करूं. But when you have such a lovely platform, literally a platter being served to you, I think it is high time that we women grab that platter and use it for our own selfish interest. I wouldn't call it selfish interest, but yeah, for our own good and motivation, and moving forward ahead. So
Because
yeah, who
writing is
all?
creativity, writing is such a talent which everybody cannot have. थॉट्स
True.
हमारे पास होते हैं, वी हैव द इमोशंस, एवरीबडी हैज द फीलिंग, बट उसको लिखना, वर्ड्स में, अक्षरों में लेकर आना बहुत मुश्किल काम है. शायद उसके लिए
Yes.
बहुत आपको सबसे ज्यादा शायद आपको सुकून चाहिए होता है, मेंटली आपको एकदम फ्री होना पड़ता है उन सब चीजों को लिखने के लिए.
Yeah,
So
some very important questions that I guess need to be addressed, and Neelamdi has just reminded those. Any specific choice in language, and what languages do you publish in?
we are publishing in English and Hindi for the time being,
Okay,
but
okay,
translations we have picked up in different languages.
wonderful. And right now, the women centric are also in English and Hindi, as well as
English and Hindi.
translations.
Yeah.
English and
English and
Hindi.
Hindi stories and poems, poetries. And moreover, I mean, the authors who are coming to us this month, in the month of December, we will try to push them for the World Book Fair, which is happening in February 2024. सो अभी तो जितने भी ऑथर्स आ रहे हैं मेरे पास, मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा you also work with us, थोड़ा सा काम करते हैं, and let's why not present ourselves at a world
Larger
global stage.
scale,
Yeah,
right?
because अभी तो पब्लिश होने के बाद तो फिर then next year 2025 आ जाएगा next year. और वो एक
True.
enthusiasm जो होता है when the the new arrival is there, the new baby is there, that is something which we all can understand.
Yes, I guess women can understand that more because the whole process is something like that. But obviously, even men will understand because even they have that feeling. Fatherhood, वो उनमें भी है.
This is the book
So,
is this story is your baby. This story is
yes,
your baby. We are there to groom, to nurture it, but obviously it is the author's baby. They have to take it forward.
yes. So with this, I would like to thank all my viewers, especially Vanna ji, for accepting my offer and coming on our lovely platform. And
Thank you
a
so much.
huge, yeah, and a huge thank you for being at the Lit Fest, and you just added a different level of charm at the Lit Fest, because having a publisher listen to your works and being there is different altogether. Though I couldn't, spend more time with you personally, but yeah, I did meet you in the beginning and before we winded
Yeah.
up. But
But
I
this
hope we
connection,
catch up
the
more.
connection we have made, that is for lifetime.
Yes, I truly agree to that. And
Yeah.
with this, we just end this show. And Vannaji, I would request you, later on, whenever you have time, please revert to all the comments that have come. And
Surely.
later on, we'll be having many more comments pouring in. And feel free to even, add on the links or whatever you have, to Hybro publication so that people may know where and how to approach you. I too will add, I've already tagged Hybro Publications on Insta as well as on the Facebook
I'll
profile.
post the website link there. I'll post the website
Yeah,
link there. They'll get to know all the details.
yes. So whoever is watching this, please make sure that you check out the website link and you get connected with the publication house, Hybro Publication House. That is Hybro Publication for you. And Vannaji is here with us tonight. And thank you so much once
Thank
again,
you so
Vannaji,
much.
for being with us.
Thank you so much for a lovely session. Thanks again.
Yeah.
Thanks
And
for
thank you
this.
to all my lovely viewers.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.